Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your computer. It only takes 4 different programs to use to make it run faster, but they're really effective and you don't need to change any kind of numbers in hidden advanced option files that you don't know what they mean. So the first one's called CCleaner, produced by Piriform, and this is a really handy tool because it does a variety of different things. On the side here, you can select which folders and subfolders you want CCleaner to run through and clean. I've got all of them ticked. I just leave the preset ticked boxes and all you do is press run cleaner. So it's just going to clean up everything that you've been doing. See there, it's only removed 0.11 megabytes of data, which isn't much at all. But if you've done a full day of hardcore internet browsing, or you've really been editing and creating using software with big memory, then this will probably remove about 400 MB in one day. So I do this every day because it's really effective and is really helpful as well. And also this program can improve the speed of your computer's startup, because if you go to Tools and you press the Startup button, it basically just says these programs are set to run when your computer starts. The only ones I ever leave on are Avast and StyleDock for my icons. But for example, Adobe Bridge, I'd right click and press disable, and now all these programs that are in a dark grey colour, which are disabled, will not run when my computer starts, which has improved my computer startup by several minutes, and is now only takes about a minute for my computer to switch on and be ready to use. So I really recommend CCleaner. Just search it on Google, or I'll put the links in the description. Yeah. The second one is having a really decent antivirus software. Near enough every time when you buy a computer or a laptop, it will come with some kind of disk which has antivirus, and it will say it's really good. But my advice to you is get rid of it and download a free one like AVG or Avast, because they're the most effective, and I think Avast is particularly effective because if I open it now, it's got 3 or 4 different subfolders or categories that suits your preference. So if you want a quick scan, it only takes about 10 minutes. So if you're in a bit of a rush, or you want it to be over and done with quickly, I advise to use quick scan. Or if you need to be doing things elsewhere, or you're out for a few hours during the day, then you can leave the computer on and do a full system scan, which really goes in depth and scans all your files and fixes them, and fixes any infected files. It also has a removable media scan, which any disks or extra hard drives that you plug into your computer or laptop, it will scan those and fix those infected files too. And also, if you want to be really specific and you think you've got data within a folder which you feel is infected and you want to check out, you press start on the select a folder scan option, and it will actually, you can set your own folder, you can browse for it, and it will just scan it for you. So I really think Avast free antivirus is really effective. You can upgrade to the one where you pay. I'm sure you get more options, but I think the free antivirus one is more than necessary. So I'm going to just exit that. And the last two are 2 programs which should come default with all Windows computers. So you go to all programs, accessories, system tools, and the first one is disk defragmenter. And what this does is it scans through all your files on your computer. It will take over an hour if it's been quite slow, but if your computer's really slow and you've got a ton of data on there, it will take over 2 hours. And basically it just frees up any fragmented files, and is really effective because it deletes data you wouldn't know where to locate yourself. So mine's already running at the moment. I like to do this at least once a week, but I actually use a CCleaner every day, as it does free up a lot of unnecessary space. And the last one is disk cleanup, which is kind of like disk defragmenter and CCleaner in one. It frees all your unnecessary files and also cleans up data you wouldn't know how to locate yourself again. Oh no. And it basically locates all the files on the computer, which ones it's able to scan, and then you will just tick a box what you want it to clean, and it will basically just go through it itself and delete stuff that are unnecessary and unused. So yeah, they're the 4 programs which have helped quite a lot of people improve their performance on their computer. I do recommend all of these programs, especially CCleaner. But that's it today. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, and more tutorials will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.